Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to make a shop on Squarespace. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end. Follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So guys, the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official squarespace.com website right here if you're not already. And after opening up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here where you want to go ahead and log into your account. After logging in, you'll be greeted by your dashboard right here where you can find all the websites that you have. So what you want to do is to go ahead and open up the website that you want to make a shop for. So I'm going to open up this website right here by clicking on it right here, and it's going to open up my main page right here. At the left side of the screen, I can see all the options I can preview, such as website, products, content, and so on. So let's go ahead and see how to get started making a shop. Basically guys, to make a shop on your website or to turn your website into a shop, what we want to do is click pages right here on their website. You want to open up the pages section. Under the pages section, you can now find all the pages you have. As you can see, I have a blog and so on, and here I have my store. So this is going to be my shop. If you do not have your store guys, what you have to do to create your shop is just go ahead and click this plus button right here next to the main navigation to add a new page, and under pages you'll see an option that says collections, and one of the options is going to be called store, where you can sell products and services online. So what you want to do is click on the store option, and after that it's going to create your page right here guys. This, as you can see, is now my store, and here you can access all the products you're selling. As you can see, I have my t-shirts, bags, and so on, and you can click the plus button to add your products such as physical, services, and so on. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.